Dear James, there are 10 important facts you must know before you even think of investing at all. Like, not knowing this can go a long way in making your investing journey so miserable. The foundation to making money is in the drought. Yes, when everyone is panicking and selling off their stocks and their shares of every company, it is the best time for you to buy and be wise. Because once the whole market is in fear and is panicking, it's the best time to buy. All great companies will be undervalued and very cheap because the market is being bullish. Two, every stock is replaceable. Every company has the ability to go bankrupt if mismanaged. So, never ever get emotionally attached to any company, no matter how much money it has made for you or how much profit you've made from it, because you know the reason why you are investing in the first place. You know, you know. Consistency is the main game. Consistency is the real game. Not you picking one stock and selling off. You have to be consistently invested in whichever stock you choose. So, do your proper research, pick a solid company, a good solid company, and invest in it regularly, either weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. Ensure you are investing regularly. The main game is regularly. The main game is you being consistent in building wealth when investing. So, the company you choose determines if you will continue with it or regret investing generally. So, know why you are investing. And remember, a diligent hand builds wealth. In this time of constant changes, learners earn the whole opportunity. Learners inherit the opportunity that is about to be given birth to. Because how well you can unlearn and relearn, then learn things, adapt to your environment and what is currently moving the market, determines if you will make it as an investor or not. So, how well can you unlearn what you've learned? How well can you relearn in new information? It goes a long way in determining if investing will be worth it at all for you. Desperation for money. Desperation for money is the greatest killer. My dear, it is the quickest killer. While shortcut is the junior brother, because it robs you of your daylight peace. Peace of mind, it's going to rob you of it. So when choosing your investments, know yourself. Are you an high risk person, or are you a medium risk person, low risk person? Also, your age goes a long way to determine if you can withstand an high risk. Don't go and invest into an high risk portfolio or an high risk business. Then you're not crying bitterly because it's going to hurt you, especially if you do not have the shock absorber to absorb it. The big boss of all golden rules: never ever borrow money to invest. I know what I'm talking about. Never ever borrow money to invest. Ensure that whatever money you are investing, you can afford to lose it without losing your peace of mind. Any money that will take your peace of mind away, it's not worth it in my dictionary. So ensure that whatsoever money you are investing, either for the long term, the short term, or for whatever goal or purpose you've set, ensure that if you lose it, your sanity will not go along with it. Do not borrow money to invest. I do not personally advise it. There is always going to be ups and downs. The market will either be bearish or bullish. So do well to expect the unexpected. Do well to expect the market correcting itself. Do well to expect crashes. Economic crashes is bound to happen. Just ensure that when you are investing, do not panic and sell off. So whatever stock or company you choose to invest in, ensure it's for the long-term game. Except if the company is about to go bankrupt. Ensure you pick a good, solid company. Make your research about the company and please play the long run. It goes a long way if you're going to be wealthy through investment. You don't need 100 company shares to invest. My dear, you only need selected strong, solid few companies to invest in and make it true investment. A range of 3 to 12 companies is okay to kick off your investment goal. And please, investing in the stock market is not an overnight miracle. So please don't expect an overnight miracle. It might take you 7 to 15 years before it's going to be worth it. It is a long-term play, not overnight money-making machine. So ensure that whichever company you are going to pick or you intend to pick, ensure it's giving you a return of minimum of 10% return on your investment. The ROI has to be worth it. Minimum of 10% because this economy, you have to see good use of your money. You have to create a financial shelter strong enough to withstand any storm of a pending economic crash anytime. And you can only do so by diversifying your assets. Your investment should not be in just one sector or just one place. You have to spread it out, not just shares. Also invest in mutual funds or other countries' stock markets. All your assets in one basket is not wise. Also ensure you stay away from the bubbles of loaned money. The bubble that is going to burst very soon. Learn the pattern of how the stock market works and the seasons it operates. History might not repeat itself, but it always rhymes. Always rhymes. The death of one is the birth of another. And you should always know that losers react while leaders anticipate any crisis that is going to happen. Use this information to your benefit and flourish with it. Thank you for subscribing. Yes, subscribe now for more information. It's free. See you later.